the Most High's Holiest. Abanalia Lam Shabbat Al-Shaja. Bashim. Hamashak Malakitazirak. Yahushai have broken the staff of the wicked and the scepter of the foolers who smote the people in wrath with a continual stroke. He that ruled the world in anger. Is that not the goddamn devil that's talking on vice man? The business, you goddamn teufel. And shut better, you goddamn snake. Abanalam Shabbat of the Shaja Bashim Amashak Malakitazirak. Shut up, Ryan. Why not? Why shut your walk, Bajim? Why? Arakim, why? Much for Tabi Makar. I don't want me to walk around. Why? Yuck him now. Babaku shot. The water from yard. Aman. See it. The men saying was stylistic. The name of the toad comes for this. The end deep in the knot. You think my words are empty, you goddamn jets. You come to shaking me. Son and dad aside this shit, you goddamn zombies. You let the get out them from fucking scorpions and goddamn monsters. Please, Father. Babakasha. Babakasha, the water from Yah. Aman. Sila. Love it and goddamn cover, Mr. Vanessa, you goddamn snakes. Don Target Cattell. And the bitch on goddamn concubine in one of my mini mansions in the coming days. And then you ask this bitch, you bitch my toilet this room in your goddamn, but dump the goddamn leprous goddamn cup. You goddamn snakes. Thou shalt take up this proverb. Am I not taking up this proverb? Exactly as was prophesied for thousands of years. Fasten inside a mansion. It's the Gevishta from the Geschichte mir. His story. My story, the Father's word, fasten into people, trust the film bushes upon, and the goddamn hiding, having in Nevin, 5 books to lays in you goddamn sticks. I'm a 1,000 yarn. This perfect judgment against you has not been spoken, but now the prophets of old, du meinst es gibt keine neue Propheten. Richtig, this and the devil from the Vergangenheit, and now that my brother has broke the 7 seals, Revelation. Open phone in full effect, live in stereo, you goddamn sakes. Especially this your fucking money and your fake goddamn gold. I want my father to kill you goddamn devils. Wie gesagt, du bist schockiert, weil das nicht lügen gehabt. Weil das Liebe, wenn mein Vater destroyed the earth in the Zeit von mein Opa Noah. Weil das Liebe, when my father destroyed the earth in the Zeit von mein Opa Abraham. In Lot. Then it's the Mr. Sodom and Gomorrah. Baruch. Because Sodom and Gomorrah find shots full with fucking Kinderfickers and goddamn faggots. That's the death named sign spawns and stepped us in the eyes from another man. You goddamn cracker for biscuits. You fucking snake goddamn cracker. You fucking bitch ass fucking devil for biscuits.